Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandriya. Welcome back to the channel. Today's session will be learning how to translate from one language to another using a Excel function. So, as small data, we try to translate from English to the other languages in column B. So, we have the text in English and we are going to translate into different languages under this column B. In column C, we'll get the translated language. Let's try. For that, you can use a translate. There is a formula function called as translate. Okay, select this cell, comma. So now it asking you from which language you need to translate this to this. Obviously, this is in English, so I'll just put it as double quote. Start with double quote en. So you can see it says English and put a double quote again, comma. So we need to translate this to which language? Spain. So Spain, you can go ahead and check each one here, or you can do a shortcut. Use with the double quote. Start with double quote es. You can say Spanish. Use the double quote. Hit enter. See, now you can see it is showing how that the hello will be in Spanish. Similarly, we'll try to do it for Spain. Select the cell, comma, and select. So we are in English. It is in English. So en, comma, this is French. F. Again, we start with F. French is fr. So double quote, close it, hit enter. So it will come. See. So this is again translate. Select the cell, add lunch. So this text is in English. Will convert it to Kannada, that is in Indian language, South Indian language. Let's put it as KN, Kannada. So close it. Next, we'll try doing translate open bracket good morning to English, from English to Hindi. So start with double quote I, Hindi, close the bracket. So it is taking now in Hindi. Let's try this is in translate from English en, comma, to Germany. So Germany, just go down and check for the Germany English. So Germany is DE. So DE, close the bracket. Similarly, translate this to or English, from English to Japanese. Type J A. So J A, close the bracket. It's in Japanese. Let's put it in Italian. So translate bracket from English, comma, to Italian. So double quote I T, Italian. So let's this Italian in Chinese. So translate open bracket, select this text from English and Chinese. CH. Okay, let's go down and check Chinese. The Chinese is, just double click it and select. So next is translate to Arabic. So from English, Arabic here. Just click on it, select enter. Let's move this. Okay. Next, Russian. Translate from English, comma, to Russian. You type it as R Russian, yes, and hit enter. And finally, Portuguese. Translate this, comma, en, comma, to Portuguese. So you can put it as P Portugal. So just hit enter. all the best in Sanskrit. So it's an Indian or Indian ancient language. Let's try able to find it. So I'm going to select this cell English to Sanskrit. Uh, I doubt we have it there. Sabian. Let's see if you find it somewhere in India. Indian languages. It's L. Let me go down from here. Okay, let's see if you have it here. Swedish. Okay, I think that Sanskrit it is not there. Let's put it into Tamil. I think it is also Indian language, and we able to get the different languages using a translate function. I hope this function was helpful. Do let me know for any other function. I'll try to create a video on it. Thank you for your time. Happy learning.